Spring is the season that wakes me alive.
Our next stop is Gardens by the Bay. Ganda na ito, oh. So later on, itutour namin kayo sa Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. Also, makikita nyo din up close ang sikat na trees light show dito sa Gardens by the Bay. But before that, ano-ano nga ba ang mga pwedeng kainan dito? So guys, dito sa Gardens by the Bay, meron namang kainan, itong Shake Shack. Pero wag nyo lang i-expect na same siya ng price dun sa Manila kasi medyo mas malaki siya ng konti. And bukod sa Shake Shack, napakarami pang food choices like Starbucks, McDo, Conservatory Cafe, Majestic Bay, and a lot more. And since sobrang laki ng Gardens by the Bay, meron namang shuttle service na makakapaghatid sa inyo between Bayfront Plaza, Active Garden, and Flower Dome. Since Shake Shack nga yung pinakamalapit sa dalawang attractions na pupuntahan namin, dito na kami umorder ng snack. Yan, so after namin mag-snack, papasok na tayo ngayon sa Cloud Forest. We bought the ticket via Klook and later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung total na ginastos namin and kung saan mas murang makakapag-book. Wow! Automatic yarn! Ang fresh! Pagpasok nyo pa lang, sobrang ganda na ng bubungad sa inyo. Ang dami ring tao nagpipicture dito sa waterfalls na to. You will really feel like you're in the middle of the forest or on the mountains. Ang hirap kumuha ng picture doon. Kasi sobrang daming tao, kailangan tsempohan mo lang. Pagka walang tao, pasok agad, tas click, gano'n. Before we reach the mountain's peak, dadaan muna kami dito sa Orchid Haven. Aura. Wait lang, tsaka lang. Bakit tayo? Pagod na yan, di. Pagod na yan.
You will be just fine in the summertime. It's such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me.
Sino ka dyan?
Para sa'yo ang laban na to.
Oh my God, nakakalula. Tingnan mo. Nakitingin ka?
Cause I'm always honest in my veins and I can't control it. Cause you are flawless, but you act so modest. You're always
Gago na ako. Natatakot ako para sa phone niya.
Pagka tumingin ka sa
Sa baba.
dito,
Parang nakakatae. Char.
medyo. Pero pag dito lang, parang patag naman eh. Parang konting slant lang.
Tapos medyo mahangin, ang lamig. Naka-aircon.
you will be the stars align, 'cause you are mine, and you satisfy me. We go round and round, see my hands up in the sound, like an ultrasound, it brings you light, it's looking around. Never let me down, show me my problems and turn it around, and I need you now, take me away and we'll figure it out, 'cause you will be just fine in the summertime, and such a crime, 'cause rain or run, you will be alright, when the stars align, 'cause you are mine, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me.
Ang ganda ng cloud forest. Pero dapat tinitignan mo rin yung mga plants doon. Kasi may mga description, tsaka may mga plants doon na kakaiba eh. Tsaka mga flowers. Kaso hindi ko na siya nabasa lahat. Kakavlog. Next attraction is Flower Dome. Gago sa lamig dito. Mas malamig pa.
Ang bango.
May basil leaves. Ay, may anak pala. Nakalimutan din ako. Medyo maganda rin siya pagpadilim na. Tapos sa labas, tingnan mo, medyo maliwanag pa.
Oo.
Ako lang yun, di. Ayan, dito sa loob guys, meron namang kainan, which is yung Hortus. Check natin ngayon yung mga prices and menu. Here, you'll be fascinated by what flowers or plants other countries have. Ganda ng lightning. Kaya bumalik kami.
Four? Ito sa aming gardens. Ang bango. Saya, ganda.
And then next namin is meron daw light show sa mga trees ng 7:45 PM.
Yes, sir.
Let's go! We are now heading to Supertree Grove to witness the trees light show or the so-called Garden Rhapsody. Paglabas lang guys, matatanaw mo naman agad siya. So just go straight to the big trees. And also, this is free guys.
It's better if you come on down. Yeah?
Nice camera out there.
Yung nakikita yung parang bridge sa taas, that is another attraction here in Gardens by the Bay called Supertree Observatory. So sa website, makakapag-book kayo for around $14 or 578 pesos. Ang cons lang niya guys is mahaba ang pila and matagal yung waiting time kaya hindi na rin namin siya in-avail or kinuha. Ito dito, maraming mga kainan, mga stall, ganyan. Kung magugutom kayo if ever, hindi lang fast food na McDo and Shake Shack yung meron dito sa Gardens by the Bay. Meron ding mga kiosk na mga pagkain. Ayan. Hindi namin ito nakita kanina ni Hardy. Eh di sana ito yung kinain namin. Kanina pa siya naghanap ng milk tea, meron pala dito. Anong feeling din na hindi ka nakapag-milk tea?
Nakakalungkot naman. Wala man sa Google nagsabi. Kahit yung mga lahat ng vlogger na pinanood ko lang ganun.
Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng kainan dito sa may Gardens by the Bay, hindi lang Shake Shack at saka McDo yung meron. Again, to everyone watching and planning to come here in Gardens by the Bay, here are the food choices in the Supertree Grove. So, like I've mentioned kanina, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan yung may pinakamurang ticket for all the attractions na pinuntahan namin kanina. So far, ang cheapest is sa Klook. So, we spent 1,121 pesos per person. So, if you want to book the same attractions that we have in this video, I'll put the link down below. After watching Garden Rhapsody, magdi-dinner na kami guys, but since sobrang daming tao dito, we decided to eat elsewhere. So we researched about the must-try foods here and one of the top answers is the bakote. Dahil ito yung wala sa Pilipinas, we decided to try this one. We are now here at Songfa Bakote. This is one of the must-tries here in Singapore. Pang-apat kami ngayon sa pila. Luckily, naabutan namin siya kasi nagsasara sila na maaga. Until 8 p.m. lang daw, so you need to be early if you want to eat here. Also, if you check on Google, sobrang dami naman ng branch ng Songfa, so pwede kayong pumunta kung saan yung nearest sa area nyo. Guys, yung lens na ginagamit ko dito, nabili ko sa shop. Hindi mo kailangan layuan yung pwesto ng camera para makuha mo yung shot na gusto mo. So today, try namin yung bakote dito sa Singapore.
6 years silang Michelin star.
So in order namin is yung set 3.
Sige nga, paano kumain na bakote?
Okay. Number 1, kailangan mainit pa siya. So, kakarating pa lang. Less than 5 minutes. Take it. Step 2, kuha isang portion. Okay. Kinuha namin yung prime rib, yung wala ng buto. Pero siguro masarap din yung buto. Kaso nga lang, ayoko na maghimay. Tapos i-dip mo sa sauce. I-dip mo sa sauce. Next step, nasasaw mo ulit siya dun sa sabaw. Okay? Let it simmer. And na nagsarik-nik dyan, kuha ka ng kanin. Yan, kuha ka konting kanin. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya doon. Yan, perfection. Okay? Meat.
Enjoy.
Sobrang lambot ng meat. Parang sang wagyu sa lambot.
So we really enjoyed the food and hope to try more next time we come back here in Singapore. That's all for my part 5 SG vlog. I hope you like this video. Coming up next is our last day here in Singapore. So you will see more of Changi Airport and we'll check out some shops there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on my next video.